have the felicitation address by Dr. Sekar Viswanathan, Vice President, VIT Chennai. Sir.
Follow up with a great speech like that. Our Pro VC is more a political speaker than a Pro Vice Chancellor, I guess. So I join our Pro VC in welcoming the chief guest today, Anil Meshamji. I'm eagerly looking forward for your address, sir. I've had some private conversations with you, very interesting person. And I request, sir, not just today, you should visit us more often and talk to our students. We require people like you to give your wisdom to our students. I'm looking forward, sir. And I also want to welcome our guest of honor, Sudhir Mishra-Jiri from AVP of Infosys. Sir also has very progressive thoughts. I'm so thankful that you could come all the way from Bangalore and join our students today. I'll be very brief. I just wanted to give you a few tips and then ask our guests to speak. Most of you are coming out of your home for the first time and joining a college or a university, because there will be a lot of initial difficulties you will face as you join the hostel in a university setup. Just a couple of, it's called a paradigm shift, right? Usually what happens is in many schools, it's more like spoon feeding. Somebody tells you, okay, this is important, study this, this will come for your exam. People mug up, go vomit, get good marks, forget that chapter of life, right? In a university system, you need to understand the concepts. Not just understand the concepts, you need to be able to apply those concepts in real life. That's the key differentiator, and professors may not be telling you that this is important for exam, study this. No, that's not gonna how it works. So you got to ask questions, right? So you know the Chinese proverb, right? Now the one who asks a question might be a fool for 5 minutes because he thinks that it's a stupid question. The one who doesn't ask that question remains a fool for life. So ask questions. Question everything. Question established philosophies. That's how, you know, Newton or Einstein came up, right? They questioned. When somebody said Earth is flat, the scientists didn't believe it. They questioned and then they proved that Earth is not flat. So question established theories. That's how new thoughts come and original thoughts come. That's what we want to encourage. So the system change happens and you need to be prepared for it. You need to be proactive in approaching your professor and getting your answers. And of course, the hostel, I'm sure there will be a separate session on hostel where you will get all the details. You know, first thing people come and complain after 2 months is, sir, the food is not good. You know why? Home food, hostel food is cooked with oil, home food is cooked with love. Can you ever compare your mom's food with any other food? So things go on for many of you who come out of your home for the first time. So again, with regards to your career, you know, the concept is changing. I'm sure Sudhir sir, who's in talent acquisition, can throw some light on that. The profile is changing, right? The concept of resume is gone. When you especially graduate after 4 years, nobody is going to ask your resume. They are going to just go to the web and look what you have done on the web. If you have just posted Insta Reels and Facebook and all this nonsense sometimes, nobody will recognize it. They'll go to GitHub. How many of you have account in LinkedIn? Please raise your hand. Oh, good. That's a significant number. It's a very good thing. It's a professional network, right? Networking is very important. How you connect with professionals. I'm not talking about your social networking. I'm talking about your professional networking. How much are you contributing to open source codes? There are so many gigs you can do. So you need to build your portfolio online, digital portfolio, digital footprint. So you know that once you post something on the net, it can never ever go away. Please have that in mind. People, you think that, okay, I post something fun and it might go away. You just delete it. No, it lives forever. So be careful about what you post online. And talking about online, you got to be careful about what you receive also. Sorry sir, Chief Guest sir, one IAS officer I met, he told me cancer can be cured by eating tulsi for 30 days. I asked him, sir, you are an IAS officer, what are you telling me? Sir, somebody sent to me on WhatsApp. WhatsApp University has spoiled everybody. Because people just receive it, they don't apply their mind, they just forward it. So when it comes from a big person, people think maybe it's true. So what I'm saying is, you got to be careful out there. The social media is a great weapon. It could be useful for you or it could kill you. So you got to handle it carefully, and the future of jobs is bright. Don't worry about how artificial intelligence will take away all your jobs, right? Every time a new wave of technology will come, you need to be the master of the new technologies. You need to be future oriented. So the world of semiconductors is opening up in India. So jobs are going to open up in a different field, in a different way. It's just that you need to be adapted to such ways. Electronics has a very bright future, but are you prepared for it? That's the question you need to keep asking. I keep saying, VIT is like Mother Ganga, River Ganga. It's flowing with opportunities. Whether you come with a teaspoon and take a water, or a bucket, or you bring a truck and take water, is all up to you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.